Growing a one-person operation into a thriving business is no small feat, so congratulations on your journey. With growth comes more responsibilities, making it critical to create a smooth workflow for success. Introducing a flexible project management tool can significantly simplify this process and enhance your team's efficiency. Meet Chaya Fischman, president of Brand Right Marketing Agency, who transformed her business with ClickUp's powerful features. Chaya's journey began 14 years ago, and today, her team has grown to 25 talented individuals, specializing in design. Initially relying on a chaotic whiteboard, she recognized the urgent need for effective project management software. Switching to ClickUp brought clarity, enabling the team to manage tasks seamlessly across multiple projects and deadlines. One of Chaya's favorite features is task templates, which streamline project setups and reduce workload significantly. With automation in ClickUp, the team saves precious hours, allowing them to focus on creativity and productivity. Chaya's experience showcases how intelligent processes and the right tools can revolutionize your business efficiency and success.